Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we are heading to the most expensive cafe I've ever been to. But, okay lang, kay dili man ako ang nagbayad. Okay, for a moment, mag-park sa ta. So, welcome to Dear Joe Coffee and Juice Cafe. It's very cutesy, very mindful, very demure. Charot, ma-insert lang. So this is their place. It's huge and clean and neat. So Instagrammable. These two are so happy that they caught a ladybug. So now let's try to order something. This is their menu. Yummy desserts. I could live here. This, by the way, is their model house or unit for their condo. Perfect for 1 to 2 people. And oh, we have these postcards where we can write letters. Dear IFM. Dear Joe. Time check, it's around 10 in the morning. So it's really perfect to visit this place around these times kay medyo dili pa siya crowded. And our orders are served. Kay mahal man sila, let's take advantage. Thank you so much, Dear Joe, for the yummy carbonara. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.